This is my third estate sailing treasure of the day. This is a vintage Hong Kong signed. There you can see where it says Hong Kong. Hong Kong signed faux pearl necklace with this green, gray, silver satin graduated bead filigree clasp. And it is a mid-century costume jewelry piece. It was made between the 50s and the 70s. And during the 50s and the 70s, Hong Kong was a major manufacturing hub for fashion and novelty jewelry. I thought that was cool. I didn't know that. Hong Kong was widely known for exporting multi-strand necklaces, glass beads, glass faux pearls to the Western markets. And the rectangular toggle bar right there was the standard hardware for securing styles back in the day. So I thought that was really cool. So as always, this piece will be listed in my eBay shop and my Etsy shop. If you would like it, make an offer and follow me to see what other treasures I find.